So first of all, everyone, hi, good morning, everyone. So coming to the today's class onwards, we are starting the LWC. LWC is nothing but Lightning Web Components. It is used to create your user interface. Okay, user interface. LWC is used to create a user interface. Is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first of all, okay, the start is my voice is clear to everyone? Is my voice is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, LWC is nothing but a Lightning Web Components. Okay, to design UI framework. Okay, to design UI framework, Salesforce developed LWC. Okay, I'm saying again to design UI framework. So coming to the previous days, it is developed in 2019. It is started in 2019. Now each and every project they are using LWC. LWC framework to create their UI framework, whatever it may be. So coming to the previous days. Okay, they use ARA components. Nowadays, ARA components are not being using. ARA component had been started in 2014. There are so many disadvantages of ARA components. That's
So
why,
before coming to LWC,
yeah, before
okay.
coming to the LWC, first of all, in 2010, VF pages has been came into existence. Okay, in 2014, ARA components has been came into existence, and in 2019. LWC has been came into existence. Okay, so I'm saying again. So LWC, so VF pages, ARA components, VF pages is used for classic. Okay, ARA component and LWC. These both are used for Lightning. Okay, but in each and every company they're using LWC only. They're not using ARA components. Okay, because even when you go to the interview, also they will ask you, do you know LWC? Okay, LWC will take a major role. And I'm saying again, LWC will take a major role. There are so many disadvantages of ARA components. Okay, so why the main disadvantage? I'll tell you. Why the main disadvantage? I'll tell you. The first one is everyone will prefer updated feature or old feature.
Updated.
Definitely, everyone will prefer updated feature. When ARA has been developed, JavaScript using ES5 version. What is the present version of JavaScript? What is the present version of JavaScript?
Java 18.
JavaScript.
8.3.
Yeah, present version is ES13. Okay, even
Yes, 13.
JavaScript is updating. Okay, but ARA is not updating. It is using older versions only. And it is using older versions only. Okay, and it is using older version ESWay. Even ARA is updating. Okay, but JavaScript is updating. ARA is using older version only. And the code complexity is also very high. Code complexity also, as comparing to LWC, it's very tough. That's why in every company, they're using, okay, LWC. Even there is an ARA projects also, they're migrating to LWC. Because in future, definitely ARA will not be there. ARA will not be there definitely. Okay, they're migrating to LWC. LWC. LWC developed based on updated JavaScript standards. For example, if JavaScript is updated to ES14, okay, then LWC has also been updated based on the updated standards of JavaScript. LWC has also been updating whatever it may updating in terms of every feature. Just only they will add some add-on things. Okay, there are previous features are there. They will not disturb the previous features. I'm saying again, there is an advantage of Salesforce. Okay, so if there is so many features, they just it's an add-on. Some features, that's it. Some features, that's it. Not so much. Some features. Okay, previous features are there, are common. Okay, LWC developed based on the JavaScript standardized versions. Okay, LWC is being created using Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. LWC is created using Visual Studio Code. Let us see this. So first of all, okay, this is some information about LWC. So what we are going to teach in the coming classes. What we are going to teach in the coming classes. Okay, that is the main agenda. There are so many applications. They are using LWC. Okay, let us say HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is being run using Salesforce. Okay, they design UI using LWC. Everyone able to see it is cards. These are nothing but lightning cards. These are nothing but lightning cards, separate cards. Okay, it has been deployed using Experience Cloud. Okay, and Vijaya Bank also Experience Cloud only. I think so. Personal loan, home loan, car loan, two-wheeler loan, used car loan, educational loan. You can create an object inside a bank like normally. Okay, the same banking project similar every time. Inside a bank, there are loan object is there. Inside a loan, personal loan, home loan, car loan, two-wheeler loan, used car loan, educational loan. These are the record type and cards. Okay, credit cards and debit cards. Okay, these are the two record types. Investments. Okay, separate object. Mutual funds, fixed deposit, savings account, gold rate, silver rate. These are all the different things related to the record types. If you take a personal loan, okay, there are different types of object fields are presented. These are the different interest rate, loan amount, loan tenure, processing fee. These are the fields. These are the pick list. Okay, type of employment. Either he's a salaried business owner, self-employed. Okay, these are the pick list. Pin code. Pin code is also some like 533229. It is somewhat okay object whatever you created. Your mobile number, you can create a mobile number also like this. Just normally by using this also you can create the things related to the fields, objects, whatever it may be. It's a database. And also there are different companies using LWC for their applications. Toyota. Anyone know about Toyota?
It is a car manufacturing company.
Manufacturing. Yeah.
Venkat, I used to work for Toyota.
Oh, you used to work for Toyota? Who is this?
Yeah, yeah.
Prashant.
Until last year. Yeah.
Okay,
I did.
fine. Yeah. I think he has a good idea on Toyota. Yeah.
Yeah, we have like full of this sales management CRM tools,
Okay, which
and
CRM they're using? Which
they are
CRM they're
using
using?
PRPC. Pega, they are using Pega.
Okay, they're migrating to Salesforce, I hope so.
Salesforce also, there are bunch of applications. I mean, from sales side, maintenance side, it is all Pega, and Salesforce or Oracle is from CRM side.
Yeah, I think they're migrating to Salesforce. Okay, that's what they
Yeah.
mentioned. They're migrating to Salesforce. Yeah, products, virtual showroom, services. Okay, these are the website using developed. They're migrating to Salesforce, I hope so. Yeah. Whenever if they click on buy online, then immediately one lead form will be generated. Contact us. If you click on contact us, submit your feedback immediately. I think one form will be generated. Just normally, whenever if you just created your feedback and if you clicked on submit, immediately some lead will be generated for you. Okay, so I think it's a case. No, it's a case. Immediately one case will be registered in your Salesforce work automatically. Whenever you register from Experience Cloud, immediately one case will be registered to your to your Salesforce or whatever it may be. Yeah, just normal. I'm giving some examples. Okay, so coming to the classes, what we are going to teach in the coming classes, I want to convey. So first of all, here some people know about some basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some people does not know. No worries. I use it to convey. Okay, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That is the first agenda. Coming to the JavaScript, there are huge topics are available. And I'm saying again, no worries of learning each and every topics. You need to be better in some topics. Okay, you need to better in some topics for your coming classes, whatever it may be in LWC. There are different types of topics in JavaScript. Okay, I'll cover each and every topics like variables, data types, arrow functions, and spread operator. At most, I'll cover 15 topics. 15 topics. I'm saying again. So there are so many scenarios. I work with different types of projects. Presently, I'm working with insurance projects. Apart from this, I also work with different types of projects. Okay, as like in development, also introduce different things, whatever it may be, everyone knows. Okay, in the similar way, for LWC also use it to introduce different types of real-time practical scenarios. And also there is a project. And also at the end, by using Experience Cloud, project is also there. We'll create LWC components. We'll deploy that particular LWC components to Experience Cloud. Okay, we'll design a website also. I'll show it everything. We'll design the website also. And also in between, I done so many freelancing activities. Okay, related to the LWC. I also show you that particular things, whatever it may be related, this information, what are the activities which had been done. Yeah. And also I'll give assignments. Definitely this course will be a huge helpful to everyone because it's an LWC, it's a front-end UI framework. Yeah. And after that, I'll discuss about software setup because so many people will face struggle whenever they're installing the software. Okay, they're installing the Visual, they need to install the Visual Studio Code and they need to install the Salesforce CLI. Definitely, I'll help you. Salesforce extension pack. They need to integrate Salesforce extension pack with LWC, Visual Force with LWC. Yeah. Whenever either you are learning Apex programming, either you are learning any of the things, whatever it may be, any of the things, either you are learning any of the framework, any of the things. First, you need to learn the fundamentals. If you learn the fundamentals, so previously in Apex programming, so before learning triggers and asynchronous programming, we learned SQL and SYSL, and we learned some basics of Salesforce. Just I taken 5 to 6 days of basics of Salesforce means. So we are becoming a strong in fundamentals. When you becoming a strong in fundamentals, definitely whenever you go depth, you'll not face any struggle. Okay, that's why here also. So we are dealing with the fundamentals. Okay, we are dealing some fundamentals. Like there are different types of scenarios I use it to convey. Okay, and I'm saying again, whenever we are designing scenarios, okay, it will be definitely beneficial. Just to use it to create one application, okay, which is nothing but LWC class, because the same scenarios will be repetitively there in your future interviews. The same scenarios will be repetitively there in your future projects. Okay, then definitely, so go to your personal or create one application like LWC classes or whatever it may be. Inside that particular application, store all your LWC components. Okay, whatever you created the scenarios like this. Everyone know how to create an application? I'll show you, no worries. Okay, so when we are discussing LWC basics, okay, these are all the things. Okay, different types of scenarios. Okay, for each and every scenario, just you need to paste here. Whenever after deploying the LWC component, whenever you paste it here, definitely it will be huge help for your further reference. Because every time referring video is very difficult. Okay, video is up to 1 hour. Referring video is very difficult. That's why just if you paste, because coming to development, okay, whenever you see in the logic, you can understand. But here the thing is different. Whenever you see in the user interface, then only you can up to understand. Okay, these are all the things we are learning or whatever it may be. This is the code approach. By seeing the user interface, just we can learn. Okay, you can understand exactly. That's why paste all the user interface and create one application. Inside that, just create each and every tab. For every topic, create one tab. Okay, LWC basics, lightning message service effects in LWC. Okay, every tab. Just I'll tell you in future, I'll give you a brief idea. So what are the classes we completed? So in future reference also, that's why I had been prepared like this. There are different types of topics. Like we have a decorators. Everything I'll give different types of practical scenarios. Practical as well theoretical things I'll give you. Anyone know about if else statements in LWC Salesforce? If else statement.
Yes, sir.
In the similar way, here we'll call as a conditional entry. Okay, and for loop, for each loop, anyone listen for each loop? Anyone remember for each loop? For each loop, like
Yes.
previously we used it to create for account
One
HCC.
Yeah.
Okay, this is nothing but for each loop. Okay, so here we'll call as a template if true and template if false. No worries if you did not practice it here, but here you'll not face any issue. Okay, there are some scenarios are there. So when I'm teaching and after that I'll give some assignments. For each and every module, I'll give some assignments. But previously when I'm teaching Salesforce, I given answers previously, but here I'll not give answers fastly. Okay, just take your time because here exploring is very important. Okay, I'm not saying that everyone please do your own. Okay, explore yourself. Okay, take your Google help or whatever it may be. Explore yourself. Okay, and please do the things whatever it may be. Explore yourself. Okay, so first of all, explore yourself. Yeah. Yes, for every module there is an assignments are there. Okay, from here when I'm starting the fundamentals of LWC, every module there is some assignments are there. I'm saying again, but I'll give answers. Definitely I'll give. Explore yourself for 5 to 6 days, then I'll give the answers. Okay, whatever it may be. Definitely in 5 to 6 days. I'm not saying that everyone please do your own. Just take your Google help, everything, and apply the concepts whatever we learn from the classes. Okay, everything will be done in a structured manner. composition and query selector. I will ask you one thing, okay? So in real time, we have a high lines. I mean that huge number of coding is there. Like whenever we are designing LWC component, or with very less lines. Like we have 1,000 lines like that, Okay, I'm saying again, 1,000 lines. No one will be designed. Okay, everyone will take some Google help, but they want to know how to design. That is the main thing. Okay, that is the design. And coming to composition and query selector, like how to involve one LWC component into another LWC component. Okay. And also some other fundamental concept is there. Under composition and query selector, I use it to discuss. Okay. And another thing, styles in LWC. Whenever you are creating an LWC component, whenever you are creating any website, without styling, it will not look attractive. So basically, everyone need to apply some styling. Whenever if they applied some styling, definitely it will be looks UI could attract to whatever it may be. Whenever I'm discussing the styles in LWC, I'll create a separate folder for this, and also I'll deploy the LWC component, whatever it may be related to that particular information. There are different types of LWC components. I use it to design. Okay. Yeah. Like there are different types. When I'm clicking show details, whatever it see, it is highlighting my LWC series. These are the different types of LWC components I use it to design when I'm discussing styles in LWC. Yeah. And I'm saying again, every concept will not be asked in the interviews. Some concepts are important in interviews. Okay. So whenever if the interview questions will become, definitely so many people just I'll make you to interact. Okay. So whenever if you from this, they will not ask anything from here. Okay, they will ask what are the decorators only. But in project point of view, everything will be helpful. In project point of view, everything will be helpful. And life cycle hooks. Life cycle hooks for every either you design any of the UI. Okay, whatever it may be, you design any of the UI. You design any of the UI. Either you take in any of the frameworks. Life cycle hooks are there. In a similar way for LWC also life cycle hooks are there. Okay. So coming to the life cycle hooks are nothing but a heart for the LWC I want to convey. There are different types of life cycle hooks are there. Like we have constructor. In future classes, I'll give different types of practical scenarios. Okay, and also different practical scenarios. First of all, whenever we are designing life cycle hooks, so first of all, you need to understand what is the functionality, and what is the main agenda, how this will be used in our real-time projects, everything, how this will be used in our LWC component. Okay, I'll design different types of scenarios. Okay, so for your understanding, and in interviews also, definitely these life cycle hooks will be asked, definitely. So when I'm designing life cycle hooks, I'll create. Everyone able to see this? When I'm clicking sign up button, immediately the sign up form will be open. Okay, I'm clicking on sign in. Whenever I'm clicking on sign in, this type of different types of forms. Okay, these are the common things it will be shown. Whenever if you open any water applications. Okay, like we have sign in as well as a sign up in the similar way. Here also. Okay, we have a sign in as well as a sign up. Whenever you click on sign in button, sign in page will be open. Whenever if you click on sign up button, immediately the sign up page will be open. Okay. How to design all this UI component, how to design. And also I'll give some homeworks also. In coming classes, I'll give you a better explanation. And component communication. Okay, so here, so coming to LWC, we are not dealing with a single component. We are dealing multiple components based on the client requirements. We are dealing multiple components. Okay. Anyone know about inheritance concept in Apex programming? Anyone listen inheritance concept? Inheritance. If you don't know, also no worries. Okay. So coming to here, okay, there are different types of components. Okay, communicated. Different types of ways the components are communicated. One is parent to child communication. Whenever I'm discussing parent to child communication, there are different 4 to 5 scenarios. I'll explain. I'll create a separate folder which is nothing but a component communication. I'll make you to, these are the different types. Anyone seen the VLC player? So when I'm clicking increase, immediately the informations are used to be increased, decreased like this. Okay, when I'm saved some information. Immediately I'm clicking on submit button, the data will be submitted. Okay, like this, the data will be submitted like this. Different types of UI. So the cards is like an album. Okay, album. Like this, different types of scenarios I will use it to discuss on parent to child and how the child to parent communication. PubSub is an order approach. Okay. So for example, if there is no relationship in between one component and another component, how it needs to be communicated by using PubSub. PubSub is an older approach. Nowadays, PubSub is not being used in the market, but I'll explain you. Okay, no worries. And another thing is LMS. LMS is nothing but Lightning Message Service. Okay, nowadays in everywhere LMS is using Lightning Message Service. I'll explain it. LMS, Lightning Message Service with the scenario. Communicating between two independent components. Okay, either Visual Force to RR to LWC, anything. For example, here I'm messaging, hi, I'm LWC. I'm clicking on subscribe, and now if you subscribe, then only you'll receive the notification. Everyone able to see? I receive notification here, here, everywhere. For example, here I message, hi, I'm from ARA component. Immediately everywhere received. If you unsubscribe, okay, here you'll not receive any notification. See, it is unsubscribed. That's why it is not receiving any notifications. If we unsubscribe means we will not receive any notifications. These are all the things. Okay, communication in between. One component, another component. One independent component, another independent component. It will be dealt by using LMS. It will be dealt by using LMS. Okay. And another thing, whenever we designed, okay, and another module, which is nothing but Salesforce. I'm saying again, whenever you are designing any website, I'm saying any website. Okay, I'm not particularly defining a single website or anything. Whenever you are designing any website, so we are uploading images or not. Everyone able to see. We are uploading images or not. Images. If images are there or not, once please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, definitely. These images have been prepared by the team. Okay, the client will send you the images, whatever it may be. See, these are the different types of images. Okay. Everywhere. Images makes looks attractive. Okay. I feel images looks attractive. Whenever if you click on inquire now, immediately one lead will be generated. Yeah. Images will be definitely images are there. Okay. Okay, there are different types of because nowadays, okay, as an experienced architect, I'm saying that because the thing is nowadays the people are struggling to do some common tasks like how to upload images. Like for example, if you go to the banking project after doing every loans or whatever it may be, so they'll provide some agreement. Okay, so they will ask you to download. Anyone seen this? They will ask you to, if you click on download button, immediately the agreement will be downloaded. Anyone observed this? Anyone observed this scenario?
In bank also it happens, no sir?
In bank insurance, anywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, they will ask you to download. Immediately the agreement will be downloaded. Okay, if you open the application from your mobile, immediately your mobile, whatever it will be. How to upload the files or whatever it may be. There are some common 10 to 11 scenarios. How to connect to the external system, how to display. Like whenever if you open any account, after clicking on save, immediately you'll get some toast success message or notification or whatever it may be. Anyone observe? Success, failure or whatever it may be. If it's error means it's a required like that. We clicked on save. Everyone able to see? I'm getting some message. Okay, like this. If you want to design any of the information, there are some 9 to 10 topics are there. These are some fundamental topics. Okay, they're facing difficulty. That's why I introduced this module and I use it to give all the information. Okay, how to import the images, how to use the third-party libraries. Okay, and how to download the files or whatever it may be for by creating LWC components, access labels, post notifications. There are some other topics that are also there. I'll introduce all the other topics also in the coming classes. When I'm creating that, I'll create a separate folder for this. And I'll discuss all the things. Just I uploaded this image. When I'm clicking on success, see everyone able to see error warning info. Okay. I'm clicked on download. Some attachment will be downloaded. Yes. Everyone able to see the attachment? Everyone able to see the attachment?
Yes.
Yes sir.
Okay. Like this, there are different types of scenarios are there. So let me try to convey the different types of scenarios. Okay. This is the thing.
Sir, why was the error, sir?
I created error. Just when I'm clicking this
Okay.
button, I created error. This
Okay.
time I mentioned in LWC component. When you clicked it, okay, you got error. Okay. Just I created. Error will not be used normally. There are 4 toast notifications are there. Okay. Just I created it. Okay.
Okay.
And another thing, whenever if you open any application, any banking application, e-commerce application, any of the thing, okay, you'll get different types of forms to fill. Anyone observed? They will ask you to fill your name, your email.
That will be common for all, right, sir?
Yes, yes, anything, phone number. And if after that, just if you click on submit, immediately this data, for example, if they're using Salesforce, immediately this information will be stored to where this information will be stored if they click on submit. If they click on submit, immediately this information will be stored to the Salesforce org. How it will be done? Okay, by using, there are different approaches are there. There are 3 approaches are there to do this. Okay, let me try to discuss each and every approach. You can use any of the approach, it's your wish. Okay, so when I'm discussing base lightning components, we have lightning record form, lightning record view form, lightning record edit form. Okay, the different practical scenarios. Okay, different practical scenarios I use it to convey. You can delete. Okay. Anyone know Tetli? Tetli is also designed using Salesforce. Tetli.
Yes, Venkat.
Himalayan water. Yeah. So when they clicked on customer support, previously we used it to get some form. Okay, we use it to get some form. Okay. When the customer fill the form immediately, so the support team will be, I think, contact us. I hope so. Okay, they modified. I hope so previously. If they clicked on contact us, I think it's a different. Okay. There are some forms. Whenever the particular person has been filled the form, immediately, okay, the information will be navigated to the customer, whatever it may be. Okay, it is also designed using Experience Cloud. Yeah. Like I'll discuss in future classes, I'll take this. This is a different types of real-time examples. When I'm teaching the forms, I'll take different types of real-time examples. Okay. And I'll give some assignments also. Yeah, just I'll create a separate the component, whatever it may be, lightning based components, whatever it may be.
So, Venkat,
Yes.
LWC is mainly for the website developments.
Yes, LWC is used for front-end UI development. Okay. And also LWC is also used for example, okay, like here only we are, for example, if it's a banking is there, we are not been dealing with a single website. We are dealing with multiple websites. Okay. So like sales agent will log in. Okay. Sometimes, okay, everything will be not been done on the experience cloud. Sometimes, okay, just we'll create a screen tabs like this. I told you previously we created some DGH recruitment application. Anyone remember DGH recruitment
Yes.
application? Inside that only we'll create a separate tab. Okay, inside that only we'll create a separate tab, and inside that only we'll place LWC component, whatever it may be. Okay, whatever it may be. Then the manager, okay, for managers or whatever it may be, they'll give some credentials to log in, and immediately they'll go to that application, and immediately they use it to see whatever it may be. Okay, and some customer support team. So we have not only single person for customer support team. So there will design experience cloud websites. Just we'll deploy our LWC components to experience cloud. That's it. Customer support like this. There are different criteria are there. Okay. Every person will not go to the experience cloud. Okay. Whoever using Salesforce, either e-commerce banking. Okay. So higher authority people, they can log into the Salesforce with their username as well as a password. Okay. Whatever it may be. Then immediately, so they will go to the application, DGH recruitment application. Immediately they will go to that appropriate tab like this, and they'll see their LWC component, whatever the client requirement they design, whatever it may be, they use it to see like that also. Okay. Like this, now whatever I'm showing. It's a UI development. Okay. So for example, if the information is not satisfied based on the client requirement, you'll develop the UI, whatever it may be. So for example, here account name I'm mentioning Praveen. I'm selecting the type, industry. Is from banking sector. I'm clicking on save. Immediately the data will be saved. Everyone able to see from my LWC component, I'm creating an account. Even from Experience Cloud also, okay, we can create the same. If we deploy the same to Experience Cloud, we can deploy the same LWC component, nothing. Just only some things will be changed. Okay, only one line. If we add one line means we can drag this particular LWC components to your Experience Cloud. Okay, like this. We'll create different types of LWC component. In future classes, I'll explain everything. I think I did not design correctly. For my banking project, normally I created. So not no previous. Okay. Just I created in my. See, everyone able to see? Everyone able to see, because for my future reference, normally I created. If you click on add additional, like this. If you click on upload file, immediately the files will be uploaded. These are all the common things we'll able to see. Immediately the file will be uploaded to your LWC component, whatever it may be. We'll get this message sometimes. Okay, so whenever you open any website, it's like this. Anyone observed like this? Anyone observed like this message? You'll get some information. In future classes, let's see everything. Yeah. These are all
So
easy.
Venkat, one question here. So the hiring manager app we created, right? This also looks like hiring manager app only. So what is the difference between like that way of creation and this way of creation?
Hiring manager application. Okay, I'll tell you.
Because the websites, yeah, I can understand website creation, but app creation, what is the difference between doing it in admin and in this one?
LWC.
1 minute, wait. So for example, we created some DGH recruitment application. Okay, so it is an admin part in terms like to store information, either if any hiring managers has been came, if any employees has been came. So we created admin part. For that, we created admin part. Whatever it may be, we created admin part. After that, so for back and everything, so we created development. Okay, inside my admin part, I created different things like data security, apps, objects, fields, relationships, reports and dashboards, different things I created, close everything. And coming to the Salesforce development. Okay, it's a backend part. For our recruitment application, I created a backend part. What are the backend part I created? Triggers, asynchronous programming, okay, Apex classes, different things I designed. Okay, I'm coming to the front end part, LWC. Okay, here. So every recruitment application, there is a customer support team and they'll need some website. Okay, they will need some website. Okay, so we'll create an LWC component and we'll deploy that particular LWC components to Experience Cloud. Okay, Experience Cloud. Okay, like we'll place. So we created previously hiring manager object, position object, candidate object. Anyone remembered? Anyone remember that?
Yes.
Okay, we'll place that particular information to here. Okay, lead object, different types of objects. Whenever if the support team has been filled that particular information, okay, immediately the information will be saved to the Salesforce admin. This information. Okay, it will be saved. Okay, based on the triggers, whatever it may be, you written. Okay, the information will be saved, the logic, whatever it may be. So we need to ask For example, if the user has been entered wrong information, we'll intimate the user, we'll give the errors, whatever it may be. So based on the things, whatever you written under the development, whatever it may be. And for example, okay, this is nothing but Experience Cloud, we'll do it. For example, in the Salesforce also, if client needs any extra requirement in the application, for example, previously we created some DGH recruitment application. No, inside DGH recruitment application, for example, if client needs an extra requirement, okay, extra requirement, whatever it may be, we'll create a tabs like this. So previously I created a DGH recruitment application. We'll create a separate tabs and we'll place the LWC component. Okay, if any agent has been came, okay, they'll go to that particular tab and they will see each and every information, detailed information, fastly, whatever it may be, the related things. Just we'll create an LWC components. We'll paste the LWC component here, and also based on the requirement, if they need it, means just we'll paste that particular LWC component in Experience Cloud also, because there we have different users. We don't have a single users for a project. We have sales agent, customer support team. There are different types of people. Based on that, we'll do it whatever it may be. For example, for managers, they need this DGH recruitment application. There are Salesforce support team is there. Okay, for Salesforce support team, they will open the application and they will open this particular tab. Will create one tab inside tab. Like we are inside, like we created a separate application LWC classes. No, if you don't need this, okay, just you can paste that particular tab here. Okay, based on the client requirement, we'll create LWC components, whatever it may be. That is the thing, and also in Experience Cloud also will deploy whatever it may be. That is the thing. You got my point?
I mean, from the UI perspective, I mean, from the website perspective, I already understood. When you showed the LWC classes one, that's also an app, right?
Just I created an application. If you don't need, means you
Yeah.
can create it like DGH recruitment application on these tabs.
No,
Okay?
no, I mean like these other tabs, book listing API and all of those. So, I mean, can we create the same thing in the admin too? Or it's not possible?
It is an admin only, Sirisha, but we created LWC component and deployed here. It is an admin only. We created LWC component and deployed here. Okay, it is an admin only, but we created an LWC. For your further reference, I created a separate tabs. Okay, for your further reference, I created separate tabs. That's it. Yeah, it's an admin part only. Tabs, everything creation is admin part only. But inside tabs, doing everything is LWC. Yeah.
Venkat, actually, as I understand that, actually LWC, what we are looking at the admin at the UI, it also developed in LWC. But actually, if we want to do the customization and extend the things, then of course I think we have to go with this extra developments. If we know more tabs and different interface, so
Yes.
LWC will be used for the customization of the
Yes.
website.
Yes.
Additional customization.
Yes, additional customization.
Okay. Apart from the whatever before we had done, if a client said suddenly we want one more, so additional kind of thing is done in LWC, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Additional kind of things. For example, just imagine, okay, inside accounts object, okay, inside account object, okay, the client does not ask, the client does not feel good on this particular customization, whatever it may be. Okay, if he need extra customization, just you can click on edit page, and you'll remove the previous customization, whatever it may be, and place it based on your requirement, whatever it may be. Yeah. For example, if the client does not need this, they does not need this additional customization, whatever it may be, they does not need this. Okay, they does not need this. Okay, they need an extra thing, whatever it may be. Just will create an LWC component and will place that particular LWC component here. Okay, so we previously I created. So whatever the LWC component we created inside custom, all the LWC components are there. You can drag and drop here. In future classes, I'll try to explain all the things. Okay. In future classes, I'll explain here. Additional customization, it's correct. Yeah. And also, sometimes they'll create everything, some in extra tabs, and we'll place whatever it may be. Sometimes we'll place inside our objects. Sometimes We'll create a separate tab and we'll place all the things in separate tab. Okay, sometimes. Okay, so we'll deploy the things to Experience Cloud also. Every time same LWC component. Okay, just only customizations, whatever it may. Okay, yes, this is the thing. I hope everyone got understood. Hello, am I audible to everyone?
So basically, whatever we do in the admin side, it would be deployed and given to the users in the LWC, right?
LWC is different, admin is different. LWC is nothing but just creating a user interface. Admin is nothing but storing the details.
Yeah. So whatever we develop in the admin, the tabs and everything, we create a user interface by deploying in LWC.
Like for example, if the things are not been satisfied based on a client, then we'll develop the particular information in LWC and we'll deploy it. If the things are not been satisfied by the client, and if they told extra requirement, whatever it may be, the user interface. Yeah. And also another thing, another advantage is through Experience Cloud, just they use it to whenever if they want to see any like for customer support team, whenever if they want to see any websites also. Okay, so we'll see it. Yeah, I'll show you. I'll show you. Give me 1 minute.
Excuse
I'll
me,
show
sir.
you. Yes, yes.
Can you explain the meaning of Experience Cloud? What does it mean?
Yeah, I'll explain. The topic, I'll explain it. Okay. Experience Cloud. It is one of the cloud. Okay.
So it
Yes,
is not available in the admin part, Experience Cloud.
Salesforce, it is available. It is available. I'll show you. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Because I'm going one by one now. Yeah. After these topics, I want to introduce. Yes. Okay. So we need some Apex programming. Okay. Sometimes we need to interact with Apex programming. Okay. So for example, sometimes whenever if you want to fix some account details, contact details, and to place this particular LWC component, we'll use Apex in LWC and we'll use LDS wire adapters.
Excuse
These
me,
are the
sir.
different types.
LWC has any coding related things, sir? Or it's only a connection?
Not coding. So we created previously Apex classes. Do you remember? Like
Yes,
select
sir.
ID, name from account object, whatever it may be. Do you remember? Like inside my Apex class, I created some SQL query to retrieve the contact records. Sometimes based on the requirement, okay, you need to retrieve the records. You need to retrieve the account records, or you need to retrieve the contact records, and you need to place that particular records, okay, inside our LWC component, whatever it may be. Then first we'll create Apex class just to retrieve the record. After retrieving the records, we'll place that particular retrieved records. Okay, we'll connect that particular Apex class with LWC and we'll place that particular retrieved record in LWC component. Okay.
Okay,
Just
sir.
will connect in between Apex to LWC sometimes. Okay. Yeah, there is separate module is there. Okay, there are different types of scenarios. I'll convey that particular scenarios. Okay. And also how to connect LWC with external API, whatever it may be. So previously I connected VF pages with external API, which is postal code. In the similar way, how to connect external API like Google API. Okay, let's see this. After completion of this, I'll go to Experience Cloud. In the Experience Cloud, I'll show the Experience Cloud. 1 minute. Go to all sites. In future classes, I'll ask you to design this particular website also. I'll help you to design the website. Yeah. There are different types of websites. Traveling websites are designed.
So that LWC classes you just designed in the same manner of LWC in the admin, right? For us to understand.
What you're saying?
That LWC classes, that app which you showed, you just designed it in the admin side to understand LWC for us.
Like you are saying about tabs.
The LWC classes, yeah. That
Here
you showed in the app.
LW, 1 minute.
Yeah, this
Okay.
one.
Yeah, coming to account contact opportunity will create by using object manager. But here, this particular tabs we are not creating through object manager. So we are creating through app builder. Okay, app builder. Okay, which is separately for LWC. I'll show you in future
Oh,
classes.
okay.
Yeah, yes. Just I designed this particular website. Okay. So when you clicked on account, immediately all the account details will be observed. For example, if there is a manager, whatever it may be, if the manager wants to see the details, okay, like all the account records, all the contact records, all the hiring manager records. This all the database. This particular information is nothing but these are the database. Okay, like hiring manager, candidate. These are all the information which we created under backend. Okay, which is nothing but admin side. We are linking this particular admin with LWC Experience Cloud. Yeah, we are calling that particular objects whatever it may be. In coming classes, I'll give you the idea. This is the website which had been designed.
It's
It's an
the
experience.
combination of admin and development.
Admin, that's when I told you. Okay, everyone need to learn admin development LWC. Okay, that is a full completion of the course. Yeah. If you need to publish, okay, you can publish your site. Means the changes, whatever you done, it will be published. Yeah. If you want to preview, means you can see it. For example, whenever if you visited any website, okay, you'll see the customer check-ins, whatever it may be, booking, whatever it may be, some questions. Either if you open Redbus, some articles. Okay, before contacting to the customer support, you'll get some articles. These are all the different types of articles I designed. If you open the contact support, okay, because I don't have an access, if you enable this particular access, immediately it will be enable this particular information. Okay, immediately whenever if we created a case information, this particular case information will be registered to my Salesforce org. If any customer has been got issue, okay, they raise it some case, immediately it will be raised to our customer support team, whatever it may be. Yeah, let's see this website, whatever it may be in future. So sometimes if you don't need it, okay, like here everything is not been given by Experience Cloud. Sometimes we need to create LWC component. Okay, like welcome to our customer portal. This I created an LWC component. I placed an LWC component here. Whatever the LWC comp, same process. Just we'll add some separate tags, whatever it may be. Okay. Welcome to our customer portal. This is been created by me. Welcome to Redbus UK. This is created by using LWC component. Okay, if you don't need means just you can remove it and you can place your extra things, whatever it may be, based on the requirement. So you have. And another thing, for example, if you take a React.js, Node.js, and you need to create a separate website for mobile and whatever it may be. Here, no need of creating a separate website for mobile. Creating a one website, it will be used for mobile. It will be used for anywhere. If you click on mobile, just normal, I'm opening an interface in this way. In mobile looks like. For example, if it's a tab, in this way it will be looks like. Yeah, in future classes, I'll demonstrate all this particular website. Yeah. That's it. This is nothing but an experience. In future
In all
classes,
the
I'll demonstrate all this information.
upcoming,
Just for better information I given. Yeah.
one quick question, Venkat. In the upcoming classes,
Yes,
will
yes,
you
please.
be
Yes, please, Prashant. Yeah.
yeah, in the upcoming classes, will you be explaining step by step how exactly we have to design and all? Venkat?
Your voice is not clear, Prashant. Okay.
In the upcoming classes, will you be explaining step by step how exactly we have to design and all?
Yes. Just this is a demo. Today is a demo. Like what we need to
Okay.
convey, what are the things which we are going to teach in coming classes. It's like a demo. Okay, in coming classes, everything will be dealt in a step-by-step manner. Okay, it's demo. That's it.
Yeah.
Like what we are
Okay.
going to introduce, what we are going to teach. It's a demo, complete overview. That's it. In every day, just I design the like I design the things, whatever it may be. Okay, like this, I'll go step by step, one by one. Experience Cloud is our last. First, we need to complete the LWC portion. If in LWC component, these are drag and drop. Okay, these are all the things are drag and drop. Okay, no, just we're writing the code using LWC. We are dragging. That's it. We are dragging and drop. Just you need to know the cloud customization. That's it here. Okay, in coming classes, everything I'll give you step by step manner. Yeah, no worries. Yeah. this is about today's class on the demo related to LWC. Anyone have any questions? From tomorrow onwards, we'll start the normal sessions, whatever it may be. Anyone have any doubts? Anyone have any doubts? Kashish, are you able to understand? Harshala, Kashish, everyone, Maheshwari, Praveen, Renuka, Sayali, Srijan, Srinivas, Swati, everyone.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Akshay. So many people are
Yes.
everyone.
Yes.
Okay, just
Yes, sir.
it's like a demo I want to convey. In the demo, I'm giving some information related to what we are going to teach, what is the things, what is the structure, everything. In coming classes with different types of scenarios, everything I'll give you step by step. And I'll tell you these are the interview questions. Okay, whatever it may be. And I will ask you the repetitive questions, the same pattern, whatever it may be, which we followed. Even sometimes I'll ask development questions also. Okay, like what is triggers? What are the trigger events? Normal. Okay, normal discussion, group discussion. That's it. Okay, sometimes. Okay, this is about today's class. If anyone have any doubts, you can stay in the call. I'm stopping the recording.